Hello students, in this video we talk about how to make a post sticky in WordPress. So in this video we talk about sticky post, right? So open your WordPress website. So I have opened my WordPress website and then log in your WordPress dashboard, right? So it is my posts, Google Merchant Center, create a new Merchant Center account, and it is my post send in blue review, right? And how to backup your WordPress website for free, how to delete Adobe account. So if I want to sticky my this post, send in blue review to show in the top of the post, right? So for this purpose I go to my WordPress dashboard and then go to post and click on all posts. So it is my all post Google Merchant Center and send in blue review, right? And that I want to sticky this post send in blue review. So click on edit. So I click on to edit the post. So my post is open, and if there is not a sitting area, then you click on this sitting area, right? And from sidebar you see the status and visibility, and here post format. Below the post format you see stick to the top of the blog, right? And then check it and then click on update. You can stick the post multiple posts. If you want to stick another post, you open the post and just click on it, stick to the post of the blog. It will be made to the sticky post, right? The post is updated. Now go to our blog post, and then the post is not visible now here. So when you refresh, that post must be see in the top from the Google Merchant Center, right? So we refresh it. So you see the send in blue review is a sticky post. If I make a post sticky, so we come and sign in Google AdSense, right? We want to be sticky another post, right? So go to our dashboard area. And see the post sign in Google AdSense, right? And from here click on settings. The post is open. Now just on settings, right? And from here check on it, stick to the top of the blog, right? So it is our second post to be sticky. Check on update. The post is updated. Now go to our WordPress, and this post is now showing below, and there is one sticky post send in blue. Now we refresh the page. And another post will be sticky, sign in Google AdSense, right? And the first post is the sticky post is send in blue review. So this way you can create your sticky post. You can post one post sticky, and you can multiple post be sticky. Thank you for watching for this video.